Oh no.
My friends are up there.
What? Don't worry, ma'am. Everything's gonna be okay. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh my God, that's tall.
Oh my God, look at the ceiling.
Just stay calm, everyone.
God.
Oh, we're all going to die here.
Estimating 10 minutes before catastrophic failure.
We're freaking screwed.
Okay, guys, I know that was scary, but our safety systems are working.
The safety systems are completely failing.
We're very safe in here.
The occupants are in imminent mortal danger.
No, I'm going as fast as I can.
You now have 125 seconds until catastrophic failure.
What? Why?
Unexpected motion has caused the deterioration to escalate.
How do I get in there?
Activating reconnaissance drone.
Whoa. Has that been there this whole time? That's awesome.
Locating optimal entry point. Proceed to southwest window.
Karen, I'm on my way.
What's wrong? You have reached the southwest window. Why are you hesitating?
It's fine. I've just never been this high before.
You have also not reinstalled your parachute, so a fall from this height would most likely be lethal.
Yeah. Perfect. Why is it not breaking?
It's 4-inch ballistic glass. You'll have to create more momentum.
Identify yourself!
My friends are in there! My friends are in there! Stop!
Return to the ground immediately!
Okay, who's next?
Me! It's my turn!
Gosh, seriously, what are you doing?
Don't worry about the trophy.
Stand down! Return to the ground immediately! Return to the ground or we will open fire!
Go up! Go up!
I got this.
Take my trophy!
This is your last chance!
I'm gonna die. I did it! Hey, how you doing? Don't worry about it, I got you.
Yes! Yes!
Hey, big guy, quit moving around!
Sorry, sir. So sorry.
Alright, this is your stop. Go, go, go! Everybody out! Move it, people! Move it! Move it! Liz! You're okay. You're okay. Okay. So, is everyone okay?
This is your chance, Peter. Kiss her.
Thank you.
Are you really friends with Peter Parker?